The UN International Court of Justice is holding public hearings on a request for the indication of provisional measures in the case of the application of the International Convention on the Elimination of all forms of racial discrimination. On September the 16th, Armenia filed a case against Azerbaijan at the UN International Court of Justice. The complainant argues that Azerbaijan has subjected Armenians to racial discrimination for decades, and as a result of this state-backed hate policy, Armenians have been subjected to systemic discrimination, massacres, torture, and other abuses. Azerbaijan has filed a similar lawsuit against Armenia, accusing it of racial discrimination and ethnic cleansing. Russia is in favor of the unwavering implementation of all the provisions on the Nagorno-Karabakh issue, said Russian Foreign Ministry spokeswoman Maria Zakharova during a press briefing Thursday. We expect that thus the necessary conditions will be created for the normalization of relations between Baku and Yerevan, including in terms of difficult bilateral issues, she added. Azerbaijan has refuted the report on the release of the two illegally detained Iranian truckers. The news, according to which the two Iranian truck drivers who were detained while attempting to trespass the state border of Azerbaijan a few weeks ago have been transferred to Iran, does not correspond to reality, reads a press release by the State Customs Committee of Azerbaijan, Haqqin Az writes. Spokesperson for the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Iran, Saeed Khatibzadeh, has also clarified that this is not about the aforementioned Iranian truckers. The results of the talks about the release of the two Iranian drivers detained by the Azerbaijani government, Khatibzadeh said. Presidents of Azerbaijan and Turkey, Ilham Aliyev and Recep Tayyip Erdogan, plan to mark the first anniversary of the occupation of Artsak's Armenian city of Shushi with the opening of an airport in the Varanda or Fizuli region. The Turkish Habertürk reports that the opening ceremony is set to take place on November the 8th. The 3,000-meter long and 60-meter wide runway has already been put into operation at this airport. It is equipped with landing and navigation systems, lighting, and primary and secondary radar systems that ensure flight safety in accordance with all the requirements of the International Civil Aviation Organization. This will enable to receive all types of planes at this airport, the source reports. As of Thursday morning, 1,589 new cases of the coronavirus were confirmed in Armenia, and the total number of these cases has now reached 276,666 in the country, NEWS.am has learned from the National Center for Disease Control and Prevention. Also, 29 more deaths from COVID-19 were registered, making the respective total 5,675 cases.